The real deal.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Real Deal Airsoft. My name is Jake, one of your favorite YouTube airsoft technicians. And recently, Double Eagle Airsoft sent me out a care package. I have absolutely no idea what's inside here, and I haven't even taken a look. So I want to film a genuine unboxing review for you guys. It's going to be an overview, and I'm curious to see what's in this box. It's pretty big, so let's get right into it. It's quite heavy. I'm going to be standing up real quick. Pretty big box. All right, guys, let's get right into the unboxing. Real Deal unboxing raw reaction. All right, you know, it's been a long time since someone sent me something, and I feel like it's the holidays, and this is really an awesome sponsored package. This video is sponsored by Double Eagle Airsoft. All right, out the gate, we have a Double Eagle something here. We have the UTR, the Airsoft AG UTR. Let's take a look at her. Oh, there's something in that box that has a nice brand name on it. That's pretty gnarly. All right, guys, let's take a look at this package from Double Eagle Airsoft. This is the UTR. Never heard of it before. Shout out to Double Eagle Airsoft. Check out their socials. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Packaging is nice. Got a nice little handle here. I always love that. Okay, let's just open her up. Oh gosh, I gotta use the bathroom. Gonna have to pause this review in a hot second. Oh, okay, we open it from the side. Okay. Automatically, I have a card here that says E-Shooter Kestrel V2. So I'm assuming this replica has an optical mouth set inside. It's the Kestrel optical mouth set. The last time I reviewed that product, I had a lot of issues, but speaking with their engineers, they pretty much fixed everything, so I have high hopes for this replica. Let me show you what I see. I actually think it's pretty cool if they include a aftermarket optical mouth set inside. It's basically like a Gate Titan replica. Really cool, really cool. All right, let's get right into it. The UTR Ultimate Training Replica. I have no idea what it stands for, but we'll figure that out. What do we got, boys? What do we got? Ooh, okay. All right, we have like a polymer construction. Not sure the material on the handguard. Pretty cool. Does the bolt catch work? It does work. And release. Ambidextrous controls. This is cool, man. The UTR. All right, so the Double Eagle UTR comes with a beautiful mid-cap magazine. Look at that. That's nice. Check that out, boys. I like that. Oh, it's got like this cool muzzle device too. I'm liking that. There's no trigger trolley. You can totally feel it has an optical mouth set inside. I'm actually genuinely curious to see the trigger response on this bad boy. Let me plug a battery in real quick. Let's see if it's Tamiya or Dean's. It is Dean's. Look at that. It doesn't even have a converter on it. It's a Dean's connector, boys. All right, so safe totally works. Semi. Interesting. The trigger brake is all the way back here. It does sound good though. Auto. It feels like it has a pretty high torque motor in there, but being that there's a mouth set inside, it means that there's some level of programmability. Out the box, man, this is really nice. Eventually we're going to open it up and see what's going on in the internals, but for the sake of this video, it's just a first impression. That's not bad out the box, not gonna lie. So wow, shout out to Double Eagle Airsoft for improving their brand, because kind of like the way Lancer started out, they weren't the highest tier, but as they kept going, they improved their products more and more. And right now, I'm really liking this product. The UTR by Double Eagle Airsoft, it has a really solid build construction. There's no wobble. That's just the mag moving around. Literally no wobble. Pretty cool stuff. It also comes with another package here. Nice little box in the corner. All right, let's see what's in the box. Cool. There is an extra Dean's connector and heat shrink. What? Dean's to Tamiya adapter with Allen keys, and a hand stop, as well as like guard texture. All right, so this box is amazing. All right. The UTR, really cool, double eagle airsoft. I'm gonna have to use that and do another review on it. Let's move on to the next thing inside the box. It has a brand name over here, okay? So I have no idea what's going on or how Double Eagle Airsoft even organized this, but let's take it out the box. We have a black box. Noveske! Noveske bled. Wow, okay, Noveske. I don't know what this is or how Double Eagle is affiliated with them, but they definitely sent me out a Noveske licensed product. This is an airsoft toy. This is not a real firearm. We do not promote the sale or trade of regulated goods. Everything is airsoft and gel blaster alike. All right, Double Eagle Airsoft with Noveske, so it seems like there is a collaboration going on here. Oh, hey, oh, this is pretty. Woo-wee. What do we got here? 300 blackout? Wait a minute. I can't flip it to safe. And I think I know why. I am beyond excited right now. I am over the top happy, and I think that I know why I can't put it in safe. It's because I have to rack the bolt carrier group. No way, airsoft gas blowback. This is an insane gift. Oh, that's not an AEG trigger. Reset. Break. Oh my gosh. Believe it or not, this is my first true gas blowback airsoft rifle. All my other like recoil replicas are all powered by air. What? They really sent the brother a GBB? Look at this freaking mag. No way, boy. No way. And it locks back on empty. Oh my goodness gracious. And it's got a little bit of gas in it somehow. Wow, and it locks back? Oh gosh. Let's take a closer look at this bad boy. Wow. This is a Noveske licensed gas blowback airsoft rifle that's apparently a collaboration between Double Eagle Airsoft and Noveske. Let's get an official name on this. I don't even think that this hit the market yet. Let me take a quick look. I'm just gonna do a quick Google search to find out the model on this so I can let you guys know. All right, I think I found it. All right, guys, it's the EMG Noveske license N4 MWS Gen 3 gas blowback rifle by Desert Eagle Airsoft. Holy moly, it's like a $400 replica. It's fully licensed by EMG and Noveske. It's utilizing the Tokyo Marui MWS gas blowback system. That's pretty much one of the best systems on the market. Wow, 10.5-inch metal outer barrel with aluminum railed M-lock compatibility handguard. Trigger box inside, more steel parts. Improved gas efficiency. Gen 2 version bolt carrier group, and it's the upgraded version. So wow, guys, this is really cool. Give some looks to Double Eagle Airsoft. That was the Real Deal unboxing and review. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a comment down below, boosting the engagement if you like what the Real Deal has been cranking out for you guys. It means a lot to me. Until next time, see you on the field.
The Real Deal.